Let's talk about how to get more value out of your operational data. By building a performant data pipeline on AWS, you'll better be able to utilize real-time analytics to optimize your operations, and your remote operation centers can act on fresher data. Now, we see a lot of customers that have built data pipelines over the years that have problems with scalability, reliability, and cost control. In this workshop, we'll show how you can rationalize that into a modern tech stack so that you can make decisions faster based off of the data that your equipment's producing and maintain your data stream even if there's an operational failure somewhere. We'll talk about several choices you can make around how to move data to the cloud. So do I move my sensor data directly to a message bus hosted in AWS, or do I convert my sensor data into a stream at the edge before sending it to the cloud to optimize my network bandwidth? Then once my data gets to the cloud, how do I present it to my front end? How do I analyze it? Do I send it directly to the front end in order to get the freshest possible data in my remote dashboard? Or do I analyze it first before serving it to the dashboard so that I can do things like aggregations and run machine learning models against it to give richer data to my end users? In this workshop, we will talk about all of that and more. So thanks, and let's dive in.